I'm Tom.
I'm Vicky.
We're with the Carolina Travel Channel. We're here in the middle of Asheboro, North Carolina. They have their yearly festival going on.
Fall festival.
Fall festival go on. So you all follow along and let's check out all the good stuff they have here. Lots of crafts, lots of food, lots of people.
You got today to this evening and tomorrow.
Yep. Now tomorrow, I don't know if the food trucks will be here, but I do know they're here today because I can smell them.
And it's very crowded.
So you all come on down and have a good time. Stop at your food trucks, get some food, and follow along as we go through. And I do know that old bank, somebody's bought it out. They're going to be putting something there. I'm not sure what yet. Hello, hello.
He's waving. The little kid was waving.
Oh, I didn't see him.
Right here.
We got local crafts going on here. Cone Health, in case I get sick. Indigo Soap Works. There's local soaps. Barbecue sauce. What is this? Spicer sauces. I don't need to check those because I want them all, so don't look at those. Hawaiian slushies. We got slushies. What else we got? Asheboro chiropractor. That's what I need. Now that restaurant, if you ever come to Asheboro, look up that restaurant right there, Magnolia 23. They got some amazing food in there. What do we got here?
Breads,
Fresh baked breads, canned
pickles.
stuff, pickles. Now, I can eat me some pickles. Oh, what's this? Now, this is my kind of stuff. Look at all this old fans, electronics. I like the old stuff.
A horn lamp.
Yeah, that's pretty
A
cool.
trumpet lamp.
Old heaters, old fans, projectors. Oh, they're made into lamps, I see. Really neat.
Still a double lamp.
There's some more over there they made into there. Randolph Arts Guild. Cool. Hoover Hatchet House. Randolph Arts Guild information. What is alive in the soil? I don't know. What we got?
October 5th. Events.
Soil is important. What do we got here? Disposal of kitchen use. We will do it. Oh, that's cool. Check it out. We got frames. Coffee mugs. Good, we got one of my mugs in there, Vic.
No, that's pottery.
Pottery loose. So everybody, there's a lot of stuff going on down here in Asheboro, North Carolina. Pies. Oh, they're going back down this way too. There's nothing like a small town festival, is there? What do we got here?
Fresh
Flower
flowers.
There's a lemonade stand. I was looking for one of those on that trail yesterday. On the other video. Got lemonade stands. What else we got?
Tell us about your stuff.
You're our own video.
Hey, how's it going?
Good,
My name's
you?
Kel Hines. We run Longleaf Hemp Company, and we're also partnered up with Flower Boss. We got THC infused slushies up in the house, and we also are home at a $5 gram. We're local to Ranneman, North Carolina. We're in Ranneman, 329 South Main Street, just right up above Sir Pizza in Ranneman. We always come with smiles and good attitudes. Come on, check us out.
You heard it, folks. Come on down. Check them out.
Go beans, buddy. Color buds.
Sure. Oh, we got candy. Oh, gosh. Come on down. Now you guys got plenty of candy right
It's
there.
Jake from State Farm. You got it. Yes. Jake's from State Farm. Should have said, "Are you Jerry?"
Tell you what, this year's Fall Festival is doing great here in Asheboro, North Carolina. It's good to see all the people out.
Oh, hey baby, I love you.
There we go. What we got here? Harley Davidson. Oh yeah, now we talking.
Yeah.
Do we got a raffle?
Pick a ball, win a prize.
Pick a ball. Go ahead, Vicky. Pick a ball. Win a prize. Win me a Harley again.
Yeah, right.
I don't really mean again.
How much is it, Sue?
Free.
Is it?
Yep, everybody wins.
I'm gonna go in the bottom.
You get a small sticker.
Oh,
right.
cool.
Put it in
That'll
the
go
bus.
in the bus. Thank you,
You're
Sue.
welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Chris,
Chris.
whoever's motorcycle.
Well, we didn't win a motorcycle, but we won a sticker, so that's
Yeah.
good.
Close enough. Close enough.
I won something. I'm happy. More caramel corn. Now, you guys, anybody coming to Asheboro and they come here, stop in that little place right there because that is a really cool little store. The T-Bar, right side gallery. They got some neat stuff in there.
Tell
that is
everybody
cool.
about that store if they come.
I just did.
Oh, okay.
Anybody comes to town, go to that little store. They have
It
some
is
really neat
neat.
stuff on the inside.
Yes.
Navy killed in action. Veterans of foreign wars, the Navy killed in action. Coast Guard. They've got some food. Got some people. They got the old buildings. Right.
I would.
Oh, it's recording on everything. We got a big crowd here today. All kinds of crafts.
Yeah, but y'all had the whole walk.
We got the crowd. We are crowded.
I turned my head. Grandma, come on. You gotta get some of these.
Yeah, we already go with
WKXR radio station. Got plenty of stuff to choose from. Good to see this place back like it used to be. Fall festivals, it got a little slow there for a while. Those old buildings.
Festival.
Jewelry, candles,
S-E-T.
Randolph Young Republicans. There you go. ton of people. Oh, here we go. We're getting into the food. Spoon rings.
Alright.
Check that out.
Saturday after Thanksgiving.
Woodworking. Jewelry. And we got some barbecue. I hear some barbecue. Right there. Good old-fashioned Lexington barbecue.
That's going on this weekend too, ain't it?
I don't know, is it? Check out the pottery.
Watch it.
Hoover Hatchet House.
There's a stroller right behind us.
There. What do we got down that side? We got lots of people here. But they've got back to 2 days a year. This year's 2 days, which is great. Look at all the people that come out. That is awesome. Our little town's growing, guys. We got Hawaiian slushies. Sauces. Oh yeah, we got some barbecue sauces on that side. Barbecue sauces. We've got, I think we got just about a little bit of everything here. What's that? Jade's. Barbecue sauces. We got look at the little kid, that's cool. Cone hail. What do we have here?
You said thank you so much.
We got jewelry. Going around. We got some more. Look at the bowls. We got some bowls going on there. Those are nice. Keep on going. We still got more. All right. We got kids spots. Only in bouncy houses. Won't they let me in a bouncy house?
Yeah.
You want to get in the bouncy house?
No.
What? More jewelry. Clothing. Like I say, guys, they got just about a little everything. Is that more food over there?
Sorry, it's gotta get this door open.
Dolly? What? Where's Dolly? We're gonna go over there. Stickers? That's my kind of shop right there. I like stickers. Knives. Knives. Wow. International. Oh, bottles. Hey. Having a good year at the Asheboro Festival.
Not raining.
I know it's not raining. It's like 70 degrees outside, sun shiny. Little bill, 1935. How you doing? I'm good. You? Good, good. We got candles. All kinds of candles. Pop, the pop.
I think those are cups. Those are cups.
Okay. Cups. More face painting for the kids. Kettle corn. We got some kettle corn. Another restaurant there. Cheese. Uh-oh, we got food. Oh yeah. That is awesome. Church, Lucky's Hamburgers. It's a restaurant local here in Asheboro, Lucky's. Really good food. Burgers. Burgers. One good thing about going to these fall festivals, you smell that food and whatever you do, you just can't stop. You want to get something.
We've had that truck at work.
Do what?
We've had that truck at work.
Have you?
Yeah.
We got some, there's some kettle corn being made, local. What we got on this side? Coffee. There's the coffee truck. And it's a good day for coffee. Nice and cool. Internal medicine. I guess I get sick, I'll come here.
Thank you, sweetie.
All right, guys, we finished. Thanks for joining us here at Carolina Travel Channel, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks a bunch. All right?
Yep, right.
You got anything to say?
Come on out.
Here she goes. All right.